Yes. This is my message to you. This message so. Now Baba God sent me to American of Yaguasa. And we see Negato Akobe.
Deliver.
The women of Africa. My brother. Ekena eni geni lage. Bukena geni ae. Bose rumana gilwe mwaye no sununa kerere wade. Nana imiewe. Keke riri ayo. Awetu zobukana kpokpo. My brother. Okay, can you go and say one more? Erumuda, I love one of your songs. And this song go like this. You say, I'm like where we be. Okay, where you want to sing the other one? You say, Yanni Jegbeta, where you go? My brother, Team Yahweh. I had to be Unguna name no Jegbeta, Unguna ye. Yes. Now this message, now Baba God say make I tell you. You see why you will never suffer till you grow old. Before they measure this boy name, they must measure your name. You see why we never suffer till you grow old. Yeah, it's here. I'll say what my body order. It's your bonnet.
How would you do?
That's why I can wear it. So, if you do, like my message, if you were without or you take back, we are the helicopter. You go when okay, I can't or you boo boo. Erumuda, God I bless you. Osakwe Nurioya, okay, I can man. I walk by Keba ya fi pono de eveni tana e wani bu aja mayo they have fi wori agelero. That is my advice to you, Mr. Umenwe. Nulaho. I did not take this matter as a personal issue. Uno sage e gena ulu enwa yo izebe kena anywhere. Thank you for hearing my advice.
It is good you deliver.
Thank you very much. And for you, American of Yaguasa, I did not ask you to buy trailer of wine for a Coberian or trailer of cow. What you have to do is this. In every morning like this, Umati jo wa ya to okuru wa to ewo gbe. Udigo ye phone iwe. Uti ebe waya wa to okunu wa to owo we. Ero da gbe no wo me say. That is my advice for you. Yes. And for you, the tortoise chairman. I hear say you want contest for election.
Oh yes.
Now which year?
The year 2033. Abemo kuna support me make I come out.
2033.
Oh yes.
Okay, no problem. We go vote for you.
Thank you.
But before the election, what you have to do is this. Go for EBS, ITV, AIT, NTA, and so many other stations.
For waiting.
Go and tell the masses, I am sorry, vote for me. If you do, you might win that election. If you not do, you might not win the election.
Is that so?
Yes. Because before you were thinking that we the masses, that we are a fool. It is not that you later discover. It is you, Chema Tortoise, that is a fool.
Hey boy, now what are you now?
Jobe Vak Balu. You think say, we know they hear you before? You don't become a shower. The week when a shower see customer, that Sunday they go church. The week when they don't see customer, they go say God not there. Uwak yon kwa no me o. Uvia wefa oda, uvia wefa odi e kameken uvia maken ukede. Today, who you say you good, tomorrow you go say you bad.
Man.
Yes. The other day, who you say you bad, next tomorrow you go say you good. Uwa mu yegwe fo abamigo. Upono fo no salobo asenwe. Oken uya fun ewu woro. Umame no gu egun a. Eto awe mu me yeye kege ni ade. Ite weni ga adu ga fi weri e. So pari no. I know say some of you are going to think say why Mogopa go sing like this. If you not like, make you not verse. Make you not have begin red, say na fire brigade. I don't care. I yes you not go call police for me. So no. Me se ti are wona. Nu wa mu e wona reve na mi go wa no. E wo no ri ma ya no.
No.
Let me tell you, Tortoise chairman. You there among those people where they kill our state. Today who give you money, now be your friend. Who not give you money, now be your enemy. Who said to you, now are your boy?
Who will copy a yale?
Because I must say the truth, and the truth shall set me free. We are let's go like this. 5, 6, 7, go! One, two, three, go! So, what are your papa? Go. I say where the love will go. Love you not day, love you not day. I say where the love will go. When I see some policemen, they fight in uniform, and they are shout to ewu. When I see some mobile men, they fight in uniform, and they are shout to ewu. When I see some musicians, they fight it themselves, and they are shout to ewu. Oh yeah. Yes, tell me where the love dey. When it be say pastors they heavy themselves because of money. In year 2003, when I was in Lagos, I see policemen when they fight themselves. Now wetin cause quarrel because of money. It be like say, una don't forget one thing for Bible. The Bible say, What shall it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose his soul? My brothers and sisters, this life owner they see so is vanity upon vanity. I will mark for over ye. You fuck and say I'm not gonna do. I will make baby. I will make baby. Yeah, I will make baby. Yes. On Judgment Day, it is not how you reach, it is not how you build big houses. On Judgment Day, God will not ask you for that. It is how you love your neighbor as yourself. Then we have been matter. On your salopo akiyange. Hey, motu gugan wa Africana, and wa telena ye. Leva seva, you walk and say I'm gonna do. Wagiara we megbe, ono pa me wa be wo.
Loving not the loving not the. I say where the love will go. Loving not the loving not the. I say where the love will go. When I see some policemen, they fight to uniform, and they are shot to ewu.
Oh yeah, okay, musician want to accept. When he be say, all those big musicians, if you now see say, all those coming up artists, now both of you now want play for one show. Una ha go begin red, but now we go right. When you wanna be a mere way, we'll be okay of your logan. Ordinary 4 hours, wanna go take place show. Una go begin full una set.
Wa ma gagun yagun.
Wagiara lu e yo.
Loving not the loving not the. I say where the love will go. Loving not the loving not the. I say where the love will go.
When I see some musicians, they go fight in uniform. And they are shot to ewu. Agbo.
Eka we breadi na o. Ago me woyi aripo ma. Ya go me ebala kana o. Ina ide woyi ate yo we.
Why do you mean?
Negita, iwala e negita, uwe na o, uwe na o, uwe na o, uwe na
ọ̀fẹ́ àgbẹ̀ ìwà àròdìgó.